Hello and welcome you all dear students in my class again, and hope you must have kept yourself safe and sound from COVID-19. Today I brought some MCQs based on a chapter Indigo because by now you must have been through the chapter properly. It's the time to assess yourself about your preparation. But before I start with the exercises, let me once again remind you to subscribe my channel if you have not yet done, and do press the share icon and notification icon. So let us start. And moreover, I have not put the answers in this video. Dear students, I'll tell you later on so that you can tally your answers with the correct options. Question number 1. He followed him wherever he went. Who followed whom? A. Gandhiji followed Shukla. B. Shukla followed Gandhiji. C. A poor farmer followed Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And D. None of these. Question number 2. Britishers forced poor farmers to grow indigo on 15% of the land because A. Indigo was expensive. B. Britishers wanted to torture poor farmers. C. Indigo was expensive and Britishers wanted Indians to surrender the whole crop revenue as rent. And D. All of these. Question number 3. This brought more miseries to the sharecroppers. This refers to A. Britishers' pressure on sharecroppers to grow indigo. B. Britishers freeing the sharecroppers from growing indigo. C. Britishers freeing the sharecroppers from growing indigo and demanding compensation. D. All of these. Question number 4. In advocates of the Home Rule, advocates means A. People who practice law. B. People who practice law for Home Rule. C. Supporters of Home Rule. D. None of these. Question number 5. Hitherto unquestioned. What was unquestioned? A. Gandhiji's support. B. Farmers' support. C. Britishers' authority. And D. None of these. Question number 6. After collecting some facts about sharecropping, whom did Gandhiji chide? A. Sharecroppers. B. Landlords. C. A and B both. And D. Lawyers. Question number 7. What, according to Gandhiji, should be removed was the root cause of the exploitation of the sharecroppers? A. Poverty. B. Illiteracy. C. Fear of Britishers. And D. All of these. Question number 8. That will be a shameful desertion. What will be a shameful desertion? A. Imprisonment of Gandhiji. B. Going back of Gandhiji's supporters after imprisonment of Gandhiji. C. Exploitation of sharecroppers. And D. None of these. Question number 9. Gandhiji said, Battle of Champaran is won. How? A. With his imprisonment. B. When his associates offered to be court arrested. C. When they offered to go to their homes. And D. All of these. This is the last question, dear students. Question number 10. How did Gandhiji shock everyone after discussion of the special committee? A. By proving the fault of Britishers. B. By claiming their rights. C. By agreeing to a compensation of 25% by Britishers. And D. All of these. So dear students, the question session is over. Now comes the answer session, which you can find in the description box. I have put all the answers in the description box. So please tally your answers and assess yourself where do you stand. We'll meet again with some more question answers. Till then, bye bye.